My name is Ishwari Hiremat, roll number 60.
Hello everyone. Today we see n queens problem. What is the n queens problem? Place n queens on an n into n chessboard so that no two queens threaten each other. This means no two queens in the same row, no two queens in the same column, no two queens in the same diagonal. Why is it used in the n queens problem is used to demonstrate backtracking, illustrate constraint and satisfaction, take recursive search and pruning. Now we see what is a backtracking. Backtracking is a problem solving technique used in algorithm to find solution step by step. If something goes wrong, it goes backtracks and tries a different path. Simple definition: backtracking is a method where we try to build solution incrementally. If we find that the current path does not lead to a valid solution, we undo the last step and try different options. A basic idea for n queens with backtracking: place a queens in each row, one at a time. Try each column in that row. If placing a queen at row column is safe, move to the next row. If not, backtrack and try the next column. We have to design the 4 into 4 queen problem using the state space tree. Initially, we will create 4 into 4 chessboard and we will give the name as a S0. We have to put the Q1 where the row first, means we only put the Q1 only in first row. And now we will put the Q1 in the first row and first column, and we will give assign name as a S1. Then we have to put the Q2 where there Q1 not comes as a horizontally, vertically and diagonally. Means let's see, Q1 goes here, here, here. There is only two spaces are remaining where the Q1 not goes at a row number second. So see, we have to put, and we will put the Q2 in those spaces. Firstly, we will put at the row number second and column number third. Means we will put here and we will assign name as a S2, means state 2. When we will put Q2 in this space, we will check whether the Q1 and Q2 is gone. Means here, 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 in this space, and this space, and this space. Uh, Q1 goes here, here and here, and Q2 goes like this and this. There is a no space in this, means row number third. So we have no empty space to put the Q3. So we will do the backtracking, means we will go in this S1 state and check whether we put another block, means whether we will put the Q2 in another block. As we have another space for Q2, we will put into this space, means this block, means row number 2 and column number 4. When we will put Q2 here, we will assign name as a S3 and we will put Q2 in this place. After that, we have to put the Q3. So we will check whether the Q1 Q2 goes, means Q1 go here, here and here. Q1 goes here, 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 here. There is one space for Q3. So we will put the Q3 in this place and assign name as a assign name as S4. We will assign name as S4 to that state. And now we check where the Q1, Q3 and Q2 goes. see at row number 4, row 4, there is a no space to put the Q4. So we will do the backtracking, means we will go into the S3 state. When we will go the S3 state, we will check any other space for Q3. No. Then we again go to the S1 state and see there is a no empty space for Q2. So we will go into the back S0 state and place the Q1 into the column number 2. When we put the Q1 column number 2, then it goes to the S5 state and S5 state. Now we have to put the Q2, so that's where we check whether Q1 goes. Q1 goes horizontally, vertically, diagonally. Now there is a space for Q2 here. Now we will put the Q2 in this place and assign state number S6. Now we have to put the Q3. To put the Q3, we have to check where Q1 and Q2 goes. Now when we check the whether Q1 goes, after that we put the Q3. Here is an empty space, so we will put the Q3 here. And one important point for placing the Q3, we have put only at row number 3, and when we going to put Q2, there must be put the Q2 only row number 2 as same as for Q4. Now when we will put Q3, it comes into the state number 7. Again we will doing this all steps again, means we will check whether Q1, Q2 and Q3 goes. When we will do that, we will find the Q4 place. We will put the Q4 in this place, and when we put the Q4 this place, we will assign name as a S8. And finally we got the this final solution of 4 into 4 queen by state space tree. This is a one solution. We will get two solution. We will when we will put the into the S3 and S4. Now that will check into the next page. Now we will put the Q1 in those places. In before page, we will put the Q1 in those places, and we will complete the S8 states. Now we will assign this as a S9 state, where we will put the Q1 in this place. This is a S9 and this is a S10. When we put the Q1 in this place, means row number 1 and column number 4, now we have to check where it goes. And you will see this space are empty, and we should have to place Q2 in those place and check further steps. When we put the Q2 in those place, means we first put Q2 in this place. When we put the Q2 in this